4:30 in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. Heading to the airport. Gonna catch our flight. Detroit to Denver. Denver to Wyoming. We'll be hunting by about 3 p.m. today, October 14th. Wyoming mule deer. We'll keep you guys posted. Made it out to the Riverton flight. This one's a little smaller than the last flight. You can see, there it is. 30 people. We'll be hunting in about 3 hours. Later.
Between your feet or beside your feet.
We made it.
Purses and backpacks, if they're on your lap, not for takeoff and landing, they won't be. They're also going to go beneath the seat in front of you or into an approved overhead compartment.
Be hunting tonight. Made it to Denver. Snowing outside. Snowing.
You need to buy so your dad can live here. Careful, because they're right here.
But I will get you on video. Here's our chauffeur. Hostess with the mostest. Hotel de Carlene. Did you already do a couple today, or no?
Not out here.
No.
They come in already scum out, so I didn't have to stand out in the cold.
Well, that's kind of nice. So we're putting we're giving you the sucky. All right, welcome back. Day one, deer in the back. We hunted for a while. Trying to strum up some more bucks. Not much. We're gonna head down, get the deer to the taxidermist and to the processor, and then we're gonna regroup and head out in the Wyoming Windows truck. Thanks to Wyoming Windows, one of our sponsors. And we're gonna go out to, I think, Sheep Mountain or out Twin Creeks and do a little bit more of a relaxing hunt. We're a little tired. A lot of legs and walking this morning, so we will keep you posted. Alright, just checking in. We had some success. Kirk shot a nice buck this morning. We literally jumped it as we were switching spots. They obviously don't know it's deer season, and him and another buck were underneath the tree. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath. We just loaded that thing up. Not like in shape like I used to be. So, 2 bucks underneath the tree, and we couldn't pass them up. It's great deer. You can see them back there. Probably 32 inches. So, we're just kidding, under 32. We're gonna go see if we can get something for me. See ya. He's a pretty nice buck, dude. He's growing on me. He's getting bigger.
You what?
He's getting bigger. Well, that just happened fast. We literally came up, changed spots, came through this meadow on the razor, popped over the hill. 2 bucks were standing up there by that tree, and my man laid the smack down on this guy here. One shot, first shot killed him. He took off running. We shot on the run, probably missed, but he was dying. He'd made it 100 yards. Nice 5x5. It's actually a beautiful deer. So we're gonna get it cleaned out and keep hunting. See ya.
Mama and the baby elk by that green tree.
Yeah.
There's like 6 more of them that came up.
Yeah. Was there any bulls?
No.
All right, guys. We got deer over here. Day 2, afternoon hunt. We are revived. Kirk is. I'm a little tired still. We actually had our first meal before dinner since we've been traveling, and we're heading up Red Canyon. We're gonna go check out a couple different spots, do some glassing this afternoon. We hear there's big bucks up here. Never hunted it. Got a little insider trading tip from our buddy, and we're gonna go see. It's a beautiful sunny day, bouncing around like a machine. We're in the truck because I walked way too much this morning and I'm tired. So we'll keep you posted. One of the things that I love about hunting back here is it's all quiet and relaxing, and you end up on a little stream like this. relaxing. I'm gonna cross some rocks and get over here and start working my way out of here. Alright, just wanted to share it. Good morning. Morning 2. About 10:30. I've been hunting all morning since light, walking, seeing a lot of does, not a lot. One little buck. And I'm gonna walk the ditch bottom out and see if we can strum something up. Not real promising here. I don't know if there were people in here yesterday. Kind of weird, but that's what's going on. So we're gonna regroup, and Kurt took the morning off. He's a little tired, so that's what we're gonna do.
The fuck spooked him?
I don't know, but I like it. I like it. Wonder if somebody's hunting over there. Hey guys, day 4, morning. I didn't do a check-in last night. We went out to Twin Creeks into a nice area. Tons of does, little bucks. Again, a lot of work. I'm hunting this morning with Tommy. We did a massive walking hike. As you can see behind me is a big canyon. Can't tell how steep this is. But I got to get to the top of that ridge behind me. And then when I get to that one, I have to go about 2 more miles. 1 mile maybe, straight up. So, tell I'm a little out of breath. Walked about maybe 8 miles yesterday in the morning. And not seeing anything that's great, but it's beautiful. You can see. I just walked the draw. Tommy's up above me. I just walked the draw. And we saw some deer go in, and we couldn't see them pop out, so it was a struggle.